Look how big that pork chop is. It's almost bigger than my air fryer. But I'm going to cook it in the air fryer. And I put it in the egg. And I thought, I need some spice. Let's see, I'm going to do... I remember, I think I have 3 pork chops. But I'm going to put... I think on Deborah's, I'm going to put the Big T Spice Company swine grind on this one. And I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Ooh. A lot. And then I'm going to put it in the... Now I can't shake it. I'll be back. Okay. This is a mess. And I'm putting it in some panko crumbs. Breadcrumbs. I think I need more crumbs. This thing is huge. Alright, it's going in the air fryer. Okay, I just now put it in there, so let's let it cook. Okay, there's the first pork chop out of the air fryer. I washed dishes and I've got them all sitting on the... I don't know what that is, but I don't want it on there. It looks... I checked the temperature, but it might be going back in. I can't tell. I checked the temperature of the meat and it was over 140, so that might just be that bone. That is so tender and juicy. Look at that juice. Yeah, juicy. Let me cut into it. Looks good. Alright, you know it's serious when I got the blender out. Old Hamilton Beach right there. It's old. Made in the USA by American. I have no idea how old this is, but here's my squash. And I like to chop up my squash. How's the pork chop?
Pork chop is fabulous, but this squash is the best squash I've ever had. It's amazing. Is it fresh squash?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, Jana, I don't know what you did, but
It's
I hope
my
everybody
secret.
I hope everybody pays attention.
Well, I didn't show it.
Oh, you didn't?
No,
Well,
other than blending it up.
I'm serious. Best squash I've ever had.
What is it, Sammy? Be careful. Be careful. All right, Deborah has started painting her shed.
Woohoo! Thanks to you.
The sun's coming out. You might have to move around to the back.
Yeah, I got anxious to paint, and I didn't move the stuff, so I can't paint back there yet.
Looks good.
Thank you. I'm liking the color. I was afraid it was going to be too pink, but I think I'm going to like it.
I like it too. Rob's painting.
Job.
Okay. Tell me when it's time to go again.
Now.
Yeah, when you start running out.
Okay, so boom, boom. Okay. Splotch. Is that better? Is splotch a real word?
It is for me. It's a very official painting term.
All right, this side is almost done, other than we have to remove that part of that fence. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. That side's done. The back's done. Except the top. I gotta get a bigger ladder. We'll get a bigger ladder later. Maybe tomorrow in the morning.
Click the bell as well for notifications when...
Dinner's here.
Rob was kind enough to go to
They don't have Diet Coke.
Oh, yeah, Pepsi.
Pepsi.
Yeah.
Rob was kind enough to go to Artesia, to Taco Bell, and it is so funny because we all three wanted Taco Bell.
Number 9.
There you go.
I didn't get number 9.
You
Oh.
didn't.
I got number 6, I think.
Yeah, number 6. All right, hang on. I'll grab those for you.
I-23. I-23.
Good morning. It's not morning for much longer. Yeah, today is Friday, and today is my birthday. Yeah. Made it. Anyway, there is a plane going over, so it's kind of loud. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I got my microphone on. I keep forgetting to put it on when I do a video. There's a little wind, so maybe it's helping with the wind. Anyway, I had a meeting this morning at 8 o'clock here in the park, and it lasted for a couple of hours. So I just got done with that. Had to go look at a couple of buildings, and then got finished with everything there. And so Deborah and I are going to go eat today. And let's see, can you guess where we're going to go eat? Anyway, we're going to go eat, and that's about it for today. Other than Deborah's going to have a FNL tonight, Friday Night Live, and don't really have any other plans. So, and I don't really have a video for today. We've been painting, and well, maybe I do have a few clips from everything we've been doing the last couple of days. So for me to get this up by 5 o'clock, I'm going to probably show you where we're eating, what we're eating, whatever we do in town. Who knows what we do. I do need to stop at the grocery store and get a few things, because next week we're going on an adventure. So I do need to pick up some stuff for that, and just for like breakfast and lunches and a dinner or two, because I know we're going to go one place and eat a green chili cheeseburger. I don't know if you watched my videos a couple of years ago, and I had I bought a magazine, a New Mexico magazine, and in that magazine it listed all these places that had the best green chili, hatch green chili cheeseburgers, and we went to, I don't know, 4 or 5 of them and did a review on each one of those. And so this one is going to be a special one, and I'll tell you more about that. Oh, I got a quail family coming through. Well, wasn't that special? Haven't seen them in a while. Glad you're here, little quail. Yeah, I hadn't seen them in a while. They're getting big. Getting big. Okay, that was fun. They're still there. But they're not afraid when I'm talking. Sammy's laying out there in the middle of the yard. I don't even know if she's seen them yet. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, so one meal for sure we're going to eat hatch green chili cheeseburger. And I'll bring you along for that, because it's going to be a special one. And I think we're going on a road trip. And I'll leave it at that for now and record that as we're doing the road trip. So stick around for that. And I guess that's all. But what I did want to say is I'm going to include clips from the last few days. I don't even know what I have. I think I recorded just a few clips of us painting Deborah's casita and shed, and I don't know what else. No telling. Maybe doggy clips. I don't know. We'll see what's on my phone. So anyway, oh, did you hear them? They all flew off. And that bird, I don't know what that bird is. All right, I'm going to get off here and go get ready to go. I got to water my plants before we leave and then go to lunch. And I'm hungry. All right, breakfast. Birthday lunch is at La Fonda.
Well, I don't know about you, but it's breakfast for me.
Well, that's true.
Haven't eaten yet.
That's true. I had the granola bar. All right, I wanted to come to La Fonda on Fridays because they have their seafood, fish, shrimp, clams. I got a salad. What'd you get?
Too much. But I haven't
That's the
eaten all
point,
day.
right,
I know,
of the buffet?
I'm so hungry. And I got us both some sauce.
Oh, yay. Some queso?
Queso, yes.
Fajita?
So this is chicken fajitas, tacos, taquito, and chicken and beef enchiladas.
I'm going to already have to go back for seconds.
What are you doing, Jana?
Opening my birthday presents.
Woohoo!
This one's from Deborah. That Deborah.
Yeah, Deborah Dickinson. Sorry about you, Deborah Brown. Love you. Looky there
It's official.
to go on the front of your truck.
Yeah. Because you don't have to have it.
Yeah.
Yay!
Woohoo!
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Ready when you are.
And I got a card from my friend Leslie.
Woohoo! Slow leave, Leslie.
Yes. 2 cards.
Aww.
A funny card and a mushy card. Couldn't
Aww.
decide, so got both. Happy birthday. Oh. I want to show the card. I want to show the address. Oh. Oh. I don't want to read it. It's mushy. Woohoo! So happy to celebrate another year of you. Oh. How cool is that? Why is it? Is it supposed to sing? I think it's supposed to sing or do something. Because it's, oh, press here.
Oh.
Are you happy, Daddy? Yay!
That's too cool.
That is cool. I was like, it's got something in it, so it had to. Ready for this?
Sure.
This is from you too, right?
It is. It's a box in a box.
It's been riding around in the back of the van for a week. Oh, trash. Wendy here. A box inside of a box.
It is.
Dr. what? Dr. Vortex? The best choice for your first metal detector! Oh! How cool is that? Thank you!
You're
We're going
welcome.
metal detecting.
I love that you didn't know what it was.
No, I didn't know what it was. You're so good at listening to me.
I try.
What did I say the other day? I always wanted a metal detector.
Now you got one.
How cool is that? Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's small too. I wonder if it.
I think that may be folded.
Yeah. It's gotta be. But that's good. Traveling.
Yeah, I tried not to get you a giant one.
I can go geocaching and metal detecting. Oh, we got a trifecta going on here. Sammy. Sammy, come over here.
Finn, look at that. Look how they tangled up.
And it's just two of them. It's Dolly's under them.
Oh my gosh.
Y'all go in separate directions, okay?
Come here, Finn. Okay, never mind. What, Toddy? What, Toddy? I gotta pay attention to Mama Jana right now. Hang on.
I have to put it all together. There's a lot of pieces. Like, here's this. So, I have to put it together.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope it works well and that you enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm going to try it out here.
Yay.
I'm going to find some stuff. I'm going to find some silver.
Woo!
Yeah.
Good morning. Drinking. Sammy. Have to be careful with her leash on my leg, so I have to watch where she's walking all the time. Drinking coffee. What does that say? This is coffee. Or maybe it's wine. Yeah, it's wine. No, it's not. It's coffee. I got this cup at, where were we? At that winery. There's a Harvest Host. I don't use it very often. I use it as a backup when I can't find my coffee cup. So I left my coffee cup in the van yesterday. So this morning I was like, where's my coffee cup? Oh yeah, it's in the van. So this morning I'm already up before the sun's up, but not up in my face, and fixing to go paint a little bit on Deborah's shed and casita, just for about maybe 2 hours, hour and a half, and call it quits for the day and start getting ready for our trip. Yeah. And like I said, I'll share that more later. Of course, if you were on the live stream last night, thank y'all. That was fun, and y'all heard pretty much what we're doing, where we're going, and everything. So, but that'll start tomorrow's adventure. Yeah. So I'm going to get over there. I'm in a jacket this morning. It's a little chilly, but I'll be taking it off before I paint. Got my paint clothes on. So, headed that way now. But Sammy, she's already up in the chair, snuggled in. She's like, it's cold. She's like, I could stay here, Mom. I just stay right here. All right. You ready to start this day? She says, okay, let's do it. What you doing?
Plant sitting.
Yeah. So we're going to go out of town. So I'm going to take my plants over to Deborah's because Rob's going to water all of them and it'll just be easier. So they're going for a little ride.
Now I want to make sure they don't fall over.
So you're going to ride back there?
I am.
Watch your feet.
Watch your feet. See you later.